this video, we unbox the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Spigen claims the case has anti-yellowing properties, although the effectiveness of this feature remains uncertain over time. Nevertheless, the case comes with a warranty for potential changes. We demonstrate the installation of the case on an iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium white, showcasing its crystal clear design and air cushion technology. The case features precise cutouts for speakers, charging port, and buttons, with a raised lip for added protection. Additionally, the camera bump is adequately shielded. The case allows the phone's color to shine through while providing essential protection. We provide a link in the description for purchasing the case on Amazon, highlighting current discounts and coupons. Finally, in addition to showcasing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, we also discuss its weight, which totals 276 grams when combined with the weight of the phone. This lightweight design ensures that the case doesn't add unnecessary bulk to the device. Furthermore, we highlight the MagSafe compatibility of the case, allowing users to enjoy the convenience of MagSafe accessories without compromising on protection. This feature enhances the versatility of the case, making it a practical choice for users who rely on MagSafe technology for charging and accessory compatibility.
Moreover, we emphasize the durability of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear case, constructed with robust materials to safeguard the iPhone 15 Pro Max against everyday wear and tear. Its anti-yellowing properties and warranty offer reassurance to users concerned about long-term discoloration. Additionally, we demonstrate how the case maintains easy access to essential features such as buttons, ports, and speakers, ensuring seamless functionality without compromising on protection. The raised lip design provides added defense against scratches and impacts, while the precise camera bump cutout shields the lenses from potential damage. Furthermore, we delve into the aesthetic appeal of the case, accentuating the sleek and transparent design that allows the iPhone's original color to shine through.
We encourage viewers to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future unboxing videos.